Welcome to the 12th video in the playlist for how to start a profitable blog that generates money for you 24/7, even when you're sleeping. So, in this 12th video, we're going to design our website. Okay, in the previous video, I showed you how I made my website and how you can do it too, and also showed you some monetization methods we are going to implement together. So if you're new to this channel is all about making money. And in this playlist, I started from the beginning, from what the website is to where we are right now. So the link to this playlist is in the description. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't get to miss any video I upload. So now let's get started with the video. So our website, of course, is two on voucher. Okay, and it's this one over here. So it's ugly and it's simple, but we're going to make it look better like mine. So this is my website over here. Okay, I know you can say no, this website looks simple, doesn't look that good that much. Okay, well, um the website we're making is a money making website. It's not a company website. So a money making website needs to be simple. Okay, so a money making website needs to be simple. Okay, it's also need to be fast. Okay, everyone hates slow websites. Even Google hates slow websites. Okay, apart from fast, it has to be mobile friendly. Okay, your website need to look good even when you're using a smartphone. Okay, the other thing, your website also needs to be easy to use. Okay, don't design your website like very much like buy some expensive themes and so on. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to make it simple, fast, mobile friendly, and easy for you and other people to use your website. So as you can see, my website just looks simple. Yeah, like anyone can also make it. Okay, there's no expensive thing here. The website is very simple, and I'm going to show you how you can also make it simple but awesome and fast. Yeah, so you should go to Page Insights. Okay, so Page Insights is a website speed testing tool. So it's one I use to test my speed. There's also GT metrics. Okay, so when I open up this website and when I enter in my website, it's going to test my website speed. So when it tests website speed, it's going to let you know how fast your website is. So as you can see, my website is very much faster. So on mobile, it's 97 out of 100%, which is quite good as you can see over here. And on desktop, it's 100%. So which means my website is very fast. Okay. Yeah, so your website really needs to be fast for you to attract more views and for Google to rank your posts. So let's do this. Let me check out how fast is Google. Okay. Okay. I know you'll be surprised. My website is actually faster than Google. Okay. So let's just wait and see if that's true. Uh I don't know why it's refusing to test its speed. Yeah, I guess it knows. Okay, let me try out. Okay, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to copy this website and I'm going to paste it in. Okay, let's see how fast it is. Okay, it's quite good also. It's quite fast. Okay, although I pass it a bit. Okay, so enough with these things. Let's now go into the website. So this is the website we are designing over here, and this is the admin panel. Okay, and this is my website, my main website, which makes money for me 24/7, even when I'm sleeping. Okay, so I'm going to close this other useless tabs. Okay, I'm going to close it. And this is the playlist. I'll include the link in the description. I'm closing it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to start with a theme. So the theme I use is Generate Press. Okay, so Generate Press is a free theme and it's very fast. Okay, it has got a premium version of it, but for now, we can as well start with a free one. Okay, so Generate Press is a lightweight, responsive, WordPress theme is very fast and it's ready for search engines. Okay, so this is it. You can download it from here, but you're going to do it directly from our website. So here where it is, going to click on add new theme, and you're going to search here, going to search for Generate Press. So when you search for Generate Press, all you need to do is hover over it and click on install. And after clicking on install, click on activate. Okay, so our theme is activated. So let's refresh this website. Okay, so as you can see, it has already started looking good. Okay, so it now looks better. So now let's customize it more further. So as you can see, I'll also show you how you can remove this thing at built with Generate Press so it can look more professional. Okay, so we're done with the first step. So the second step is to customize it according to the way we want it to look like. Okay, so click on the same button saying customize. So just have to wait for it to load. Okay, my internet connection here is kinda slow. Yeah, so just wait for a bit. Okay, it's downloading. So the first thing you're going to see is site identity. So with the site identity, this is where you're going to find things like your website name, description. So this is my website name. If I want, I can click here to hide it and it will disappear from the title there. Okay, so I'll uncheck this. Then I'm going to write my demo site. Okay. Okay, if you have a logo, just click on select the logo to add your logo. As of now, I didn't make any logo for this site. Then site icon is the one which appears in your title bar. Okay, I don't have any image on this website. Yeah, let me try to add one. Okay, let me try to add a site. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to drag it here. Okay, it's kind of freezing. I don't know why it's not responding. Okay, but otherwise, that's how you do it. So this is freezing. I want to do it. Let's move on to other things. Okay, it's back. Let's add it now. Okay, click on select icon and I'm going to drag this image. Okay, here. I'm going to drop it here. Okay, it's now uploading. So I'm going to click on insert. Then it's going to crop itself. Just click on crop image. Okay, so that's it. We're done. We've added the site icon. Okay, so now that we have uploaded the pic, let's also make it as our logo. So I'm going to click on it and insert and click on crop image. Okay, so I've added our logo. Although as you can see, it's taking up much of the page on the website. So I'm going to remove it. Okay, I'm going to show you later on how to edit it better so that it can fit properly later on. So I'm going to remove it. Okay, we're going to go to other things now, which is the layout. How we want our website to appear. So for the container thing, just leave it the way it is. Okay, it's perfect that way. Then header. Header is the heading. As you can see, my website here is good. Okay, my header is good. My website name. Okay, it has got a tagline, which is the description. After the tagline, it has got a navigation where it has got some links over here. So, for example, if this website is viewable on an Android phone or smartphone, okay, so this is how it appears on a mobile phone. So, this is the menu, okay. So let's continue. So I'm going to come back here. Okay, for the header, uh, okay, you can customize it according to where you want it to be. Okay, it's up to you. As for me here, I leave it to center, and I come back here. So the primary navigation, you can choose where you want it to float. Either want it to above the header or down. It's up to you. So you can test these things out on your free time and see what happens. Okay. So if we say below header, it will be just like that. Okay. So test these things at your own time. Sidebars. Okay. Right now here, all you need to do is just change this one to content no sidebars. Okay. Leave the rest the way they are and come back. Okay. Footer, just leave everything the way it is. Blog, leave the way everything it is, and when you're done just click on publish, wait for it saves, and you come back, you click on the uh this button over here and you go back to your website. Okay, so now let's refresh our website and see what happens. Okay, as you can see, there's nothing much happening. I've refreshed the page. Let's see how it looks like on an Android or smartphone. So this is how it looks like on a mobile phone. So this is the menu. When you click on the menu, it shows you some inner pages. Okay, so let's continue editing it. So the first thing we need to do is first we have to create our home page and our blog page. So this is my home page here. So my home page has got content about me, my services, what I do. Okay. Yeah. So as you know, I'm a web designer. So this is my front page. Apart from that, I also have a blog page. So the blog page, this is where my posts are, my recent posts and so on. So my blog page, this is where you're going to find my recent posts and so on. Okay. Yeah. So this is where you're going to find my recent posts, and this is what you're going to do. Also, I'm going to show you how you create these pages. So to do all that is come on to your admin panel and come over here where it says new, and we're going to create a new page. I'm going to click on it. So wait for it loads. Okay, so if I'm too slow, feel free to adjust the settings in your YouTube. Okay, you can as well download this video and watch it later on your free time. Yeah, it's up to you. I think all this is loading. Let's do other things. Okay, it's done, I think. Yeah, it's done. So we're going to name this page as our blog page, just like that. And I'm going to click on publish. Okay, so this blog page has got nothing on it. As you can see, there's nothing. This is where the posts are going to be. So if I click on view page, okay, you're going to see there's nothing. It's completely blank. So we're going to come over to the dashboard, and we're going to come to settings, and we're going to come to reading, and we're going to click on static page. Okay, so the home page, you're going to choose sample page. For the blog page, I'm going to choose the blog, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, I'm going to click on save. So let me reload the page. Okay, so as you can see, we now have a blog page over here. So when I click on it, it will redirect me to the blog. So as you can see here, this is my blog page. It will show me my first post, my second post over here. So when I click on my first post, to open up the first post, of course, which is this one we wrote in our previous video. Okay, so when you're done with this, let's configure in some other settings. So let's go back to general. Okay, so leave these things the way it is. Okay, enter in this tagline. If you want people to be registering an account, feel free to tick this box. Okay, otherwise leave the rest the way they are. Me, I have my week starts on a Sunday, so it's up to you to enter anything. If your week starts on a Wednesday, choose Wednesday. When you're done with this, come to permalinks. Okay, so you need to choose post name over here. Tick post name and click on save. Okay, so when you're done, come to appearance, come to widgets. So we're going to control what appears in the sidebar. So this is the sidebar over here. On my right side of this screen is the sidebar. Okay, let me just try to draw it so that maybe you can see it. So this is the sidebar over here, and we're going to control what appears here. Okay, so I'm going to remove the recent comments. I'm going to delete it. Okay, so you can really do a lot of things on the sidebar. You can add in some images, custom HTML. I'm going to show you with all this later on in the next videos. So this is how you design a website. So I've made it a little bit better. If you need any help with customizing it, feel free to reach out to me. I'll gladly help you. So if you like this video, support me by liking it. If you're enjoying the playlist, be sure to share it with other people so that we can all learn together and start making money on our own websites. Oh yeah, so I promise that I'm going to show. Okay, so I also promise that I'll also show you how you can remove this wedding over here that built with Generate Press. So we need the website to look professional as possible. So we need to remove this built with Generate Press wedding. So to do all that, we're going to do some simple programming. Okay, so just copy and paste. Okay, so I'll include this code in the description. Okay, so just copy this code and edit out my name. So I'm going to say Kisha. Okay, remove my name and write in your own name. So Kisha Rins, and I'm done editing it. I'm going to copy it. Okay, so when you copy it, come to your appearance and click on theme editor. Wait for it loads, of course. Okay, just click on I understand and come to click on theme functions. Okay, so this is where we're going to paste the code. Okay, so we're going to paste this code on line 13. Okay, make sure that you paste it on line 13. Okay, when you paste it on line 13, then click update file. Okay, so file has been edited successfully. So let's reload this page. We see if it has changed. Okay, so as you can see, the built generate press, it's gone, it's now Kisha Rains, and now it looks a bit professional now. Okay, so this is it for today on how to design this blog, the money generating website. So I already have a website, and this website is currently draining me my funds or my voucher. Okay, so as you can see, this website has costed me about $3. Okay, so I'm going to delete it. Okay, so from now on, I'll start making tutorials from my own website so that maybe you can also get to believe how it is working. So I'm going to destroy this. As of now, I'm sure you know how to get your VPS, install WordPress, design, and so on. You now know. So now, starting tomorrow, we'll now go into the main things on how to make money. So yeah, bye for now. So don't forget to like this video, comment if you have questions, and subscribe. So this website is currently being destroyed to no longer be accessible anytime from now. Okay. So this is it for today. Bye for now. Okay.